guys, I'm the Dow King, and there's a lot being said about bots and bot trading in crypto and how much people are making money. I actually use my own money so you don't have to waste it. I put $20,000 in a bot trading account, and I used 4 different bots. Did these bots make money? This is the thing. A lot of people are saying bots are the wave of the future in crypto. This is how you're going to make money. I'm going to show you what I did. I used this site called Astrabit. Astrabit.io. I used 4 of their bots from, I think, 3 different publishers. We're going to see what really happened. It says only $3,000 here, but I took money out because this was not a very successful run. I'm going to show you the real data, not the BS that they're feeding you, that they're giving you. I'm going to run you by the real data, okay? So we're going to look at this. We're going to look at this. This is their marketplace, so you can come here and you can buy whichever bot you want. And I ended up buying 4 bots. I got the most expensive bot, Falcon Strategy, which is an AI trading strategy. And I got Blueberry Muffin, French Toast, and I believe I got this one, Orus or whatever they call it. Okay, 3 different publishers. So we're going to see, we're going to look, we're going to see how this data did. And you can see I paid $139 a month, $49 a month, up to $64 a month. So together it was quite a lot of money I invested here on a monthly basis. You can go right here, trades and performance, to see each one. And before we do that, look at this. I'm going to show you something really interesting. The AI bot actually was giving data basically of how good their trades were. The AI bot here was saying, look at this, over from this date to this date, which is about a year, you can make $278,000 profit. It's giving numbers. Individual win trades were 77%. All right, well, let's see. Let's see how it did, right? We'll look at that one first. This is the Falcon AI bot. I ran for about 2 weeks. I lost $1,000. French Toast. I ran for about 2 or 3 weeks. I lost $3,000. The AVAX bot, Blueberry bot. I ran it. I lost $618. That thing didn't even make 1 win trade. That thing was terrible. And the ETH trading bot, which was the onerous, whatever, it never even traded because it sucks. So we're going to go through this one by one, and then we're also going to compare this to Stablefund, because Stablefunds said they have their own bots running, making 45% a month, which is like 1.5% a day. So we're going to look at that account. Is this better than Stablefund? Well, obviously you can see it's not close. And I'm actually really angry because we're being lied to by these bot fucking makers. We're being lied to. So let's look at the Falcon bot that said it had 77% win rate. It's more like a 77% lose rate. Okay, first trade, it came in, it lost $584. It does a short and long. So it shorted at 18,889, and then it covered it at 19,224. Fucking stupid bot. Stupid. Okay, I don't know why it did that. I looked at it the first time it did this, and I was like, why did it do that? I still don't understand. I don't understand why you would have shorted it at this price. Even on the chart, this is not a good place to short. Don't understand, but okay. I was willing to let it go. Then the next trade, it made me some money. It made me $539. I was like, okay, maybe it made an error. But then it didn't trade for a minute. You can see it didn't trade for like almost a week. And then it did something really stupid. It made me lose $1,000. And I closed this myself, because if I didn't close this, I would have lost about $2,000. Because this bot is fucking stupid. Okay? Look at the ridiculousness of this bot. Look how bad it was. It basically was shorting, sell all the way through here. Look at this, from 19,000 all the way up. And then I would have been wrecked the way this thing was going, completely wrecked. It has no clue what it's doing. It is the worst bot ever until I use French Toast, because French Toast, it's not even worth the French Toast. I lost $3,000 on this thing. Okay, so French Toast doesn't know what it's doing either. First trade French Toast did was a loss of, and then it only does longs, doesn't do shorts. So it only goes long. First trade, lost $500. Okay, second trade I made $400. Third trade I made $477. I'm like, okay, maybe the first trade was bad. Next trade I made $667. So I'm like, oh, this thing knows a thing or two. It's a good machine. Until it starts wrecking me. And where it started wrecking me was really interesting. Look at what is going on here. It bought at 19,580 and it sold at 19,011.16, which I lost $2,000. It literally caught the falling knife of Bitcoin when it was falling on September 27th. It literally caught it. And I'm like, what the hell? This thing doesn't know what the hell it's doing. A lot of you are like, well, don't you set up a stop loss? No, stop losses are pre-programmed into these strategies. You can manage the bots and get out, which is what I did here, which is what I started to do, because if I didn't, I would have lost more. But keep in mind, these strategies already have a stop loss pre-programmed. So if you put a stop loss over their stop loss, it could be bad, because now it's like confusing the bot. Okay, which bot trades when and da-da-da-da. It creates another set of problems. So you have to let them kind of do their thing. Well, when you let them do their thing, they do crazy things like this, which is called catch the falling knife. And then it did it again. It caught another falling knife. I lost another $1,400, and then it did it again. Lost another $1,000, and then I said, fuck no. Has no concept of a stop loss. None, I started to realize. And if I put my own stop loss in there, I realize it does weird things too. So, and I'm going to show you what I discovered. And then next trade, it made $400, and this trade was me. I would have made thousands of dollars on this trade, except, like you said, like a lot of people are going to say, why don't you put a stop loss in here? Well, I shorted. This thing doesn't short at a really good price. And then I was making money, and this thing was going to go, as you can see, 18,887. It went even lower than that. I would have made thousands of dollars because I had leverage trade on this. But the problem is this thing decided to cover my short position and then go long. And then I lost money while I was sleeping. I wasn't awake. I let it alone. I didn't think it was going to do something so stupid, but I should have known better that this thing is absolutely the most dumbest, stupidest bot in history. In fact, you could make more money just randomly trading than using a bot. Okay. Now let's go to the third and last one, which is the AVAX Blueberry Muffin one. This thing didn't win any trades. I just shut it off. It literally just sat there and lost money. It literally just gave away money. It just gave it away. And I think I manually closed this myself because it would have lost more. I just said, F you guys. So it literally lost $413. This one was negative deeper. I closed it because it was going to go, because the graph was like, it's going to go lower. So there's no point. So I ended up closing this myself. Otherwise, I would have lost another $200 or $300. And this one I closed also myself manually, because if I didn't, it would have lost. This thing, if you like to lose money and give your money away, is the perfect fucking bot for you. It can't win a trade. In fact, maybe you should have this bot and do the opposite of it, because it can't win. And I've talked to some other people. This bot is absolutely just garbage. So what's the moral of the story? These people at Astrabit and these clowns over here, I'm thinking about doing a chargeback, actually. Their bots don't work. They suck. You make your own bots. I'm working on something where I'm talking to a few people where I might make my own bots and maybe an investment through Truth Seekers or something, because this is terrible. What they're selling people is absolutely terrible. I'm actually working with a group that I'm putting $10,000 behind as a test. They have better data than these guys do. But you see, I'm already seeing a big difference between these strategies, which these guys are running, and those strategies. So they give you 4 bots in one. And I realize what they're doing is that they have 4 different strategies running at the same time. And they're like, it's to protect you. So they actually have a full strategy. You cannot run a strategy with one bot, I've realized. These bots all suck, by the way, and they lie. They're all fucking liars. These reviews are garbage. They're making these reviews themselves. Do not fucking believe these fucking clowns. This whole entire thing, all these publishers, everyone is just making money from the subscription money. That's it. This is garbage, guys. They're just making, look at this, 276 times, what is it, $50 a month? That's all they care about. They don't care if you lose money. They don't care. They're just getting their $139 a month. They don't care about you. They don't care that I just lost $4,000. They don't care. Look at these clowns, 39 purchased. I'm one of the dumb people that purchased it. I should charge back these motherfuckers. This shit is fucking criminal. It's terrible. Astrabit. Astra shit is what they need to change the name to. Just shit. Okay? So anyway, you compare this to Stablefund, you can't compare. Stablefund prints money every day. I have this many in, what is it called? BUSD, and I have this much in I have a lot of BNB in here, like over 30, and you can see your daily totals and rewards. If it ever pops up, it's a little slow. There it goes. So you can kind of see the daily amounts and what's coming in. You get this 1.5. This is also a bot, but however, a lot of people are skeptical of this, possibly also being a Ponzi or a rug eventually. But, you know, I'm looking at the contract and it's going up, the amount of money in the contract every day. Maybe they do have it figured out. I have 32 BNB in here. I'm getting 48 a day. I am just compounding because I'm seeing their main contract has a lot of money in there. So I'm not that worried. I mean, the only way this could go badly is if they decide to run away with the money, which they could. They have all the money in their own contract. You know, it's a possibility. It's a risk, but we know the risk. I didn't put too much because I know the risk here. This is also an unaudited piece of software, so it could get hacked. Something could happen. So we have to be cognizant of that. Don't put too much in there. But as you can see, daily, I am making my withdrawals and I'm redepositing it because I want to super compound this over a period of time. That's where you make some real money. This 1.5% can become 3%, 4%, 5%, 6%, 10% if you compound over a long enough period. That's what I was hoping to do with these stupid, dumb ass, motherfucking piece of shit garbage bots at Astrabit. That's what I was hoping to do with Astrabit. But unfortunately, Astrabit doesn't work. They have really shitty bots. I am working on my own bots with a group. If I can get those bots to work, guys, I will figure something out to get you guys in there and I will report on it correctly. I will use my own money and get fucking destroyed like I did here so you guys can see, so you guys don't have to go through this mental torment of losing $4,000, over $4,000, almost $5,000 lost. I lost a fucking used car, like, you know, a Dodge Neon or a Ford Focus. That's not cool. I mean, it's not cool. It shouldn't have happened. The information that they're giving you is bullshit. It's complete bullshit, and they need to be called out. I know James Pelton called them out and said he didn't have the best history, like the best track record with them on Twitter, and they got into some sort of argument, and James Pelton said, oh, we're both all Christian. Well, I don't have this problem of calling out people and letting Christian values get in the way because I think people should know the truth. I think that is one of the big things in Christian values. I think that's what Christianity is about, to know the truth. That's what Jesus came, because Jesus said, I have the truth. What was here was not the truth. So I had to ask myself, what would Jesus do? Jesus would say the truth. It doesn't matter how hard the truth is. It doesn't matter. You have to say it. Astrabit people will probably be pissed off at me. You know what I have to tell them? Too bad. Go fix your shit. Go fix your shit, because I'm going to keep reporting on your fucking scam going on here. This, to me, looks like a scam. Did they ever even test any of their bots themselves? Or they just randomly, oh, we just make a bunch of money? I think there's better systems out there. So I'm finding them. I'm going to report them to you guys, and we're going to make money. This is bullshit. Save your money. Do not fucking waste your money on this fucking garbage. These bots are dumb as fucking rocks. They have no idea what the fuck they're doing. Here is the fucking data. Now, Astrabit might come and say you didn't do it over a long enough period. I didn't do it over a long enough period because I would have gone fucking broke if I had done it over a long enough period. And I had enough data to see that your bots were fucking up in areas that a human wouldn't have fucked up on. Like literally catching the falling knife midway. That's just bad data. And I know a lot of other people I've been talking to have bots that work great. And I'm talking to those guys. I'm trying to see what they're doing. And I'm even thinking about possibly putting some of that data together and making my own bot, not on Astrabit, but on a different system. I have ways of doing things. So I'm working on it. It's going to take me a few weeks, but it's going to be better than this fucking garbage that destroyed, wrecked my fucking account. It literally took 25% of my money and fucked it up and fucking set fire to 25% of my funds in 2 or 3 weeks? Get the fuck out of here. Are you fucking kidding me? I'm angry. You can tell I'm angry because this is a lie. This is a fraud as far as I'm concerned. They never bothered. Astrabit never bothered to test this shit themselves. Put $1,000 in an account. You're selling something. Put $1,000 in an account and let it run for a month before you authorize someone to come on your fucking system? That's all you got to do. But no, they didn't do that. No, they're just looking for the $49 a month. $50 a month. That's all they're looking for. You know what I have to say to that? That is negligent. That's what I have to say to that. That is absolutely negligent. I have no faith in any of these people or any of these Elevate trading, Covert trading, Breadbytes. Zero fucking faith in any of these fucking publishers. Zero. Especially this clown, Krino Labs, AI powered. Unless AI means really fucking stupid, that's what that bot is. It's a really fucking stupid bot. Because it's not artificial intelligence. It's artificial stupidity. It should be AS powered, artificial stupidity powered. Because that bot is absolutely stupid as hell. There is no word. There's no intelligence in that bot. There is no intelligence in any of these bots. So just keep that in mind. I'm working on stuff, guys. Please subscribe and like so you can I'll keep you guys updated on what's coming down the road. I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna make money off bots in 2022 and 2023. If it fucking kills me, I will figure out a way to make money off them and hopefully stop you guys from getting scammed like I did by these fucking clowns. Anyway, guys, hope that was helpful. I think it was very helpful. And I am fucking angry, yes. So we will talk to you guys later. Take care.